Morning, boys. Let's work. Good morning. Good morning. Let me let these brothers know.
I stopped sending people to my link in bio last week, and my sales actually went up.
Let's do this. Let me post on my Instagram as well. And boom. We're live. Yes, sir, ski. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, what are we looking at today? Today, there's news at 8 a.m. my time. And it's a red folder news. Oh, that's weird. Okay. 8 a.m. and GC as well. Oh, I caught a disgusting short on GC yesterday. That shit was beautiful. Good morning. Good morning. Huh? Turn that off. I don't like saying that shit. Okay. We have news at 8 o'clock. Let's start with some analysis. We're clearly in a downtrend, but we failed to come take out this low to put in a lower low. So we could definitely just be ranging back and forth. And definitely that's a draw. If price wants to continue like bullish, because if we were bearish, we would have taken out this low and put in a new low. And then if we were retracing, I'll be looking to short, but we never put in a new low. So we just have to be careful. It's like technically price is just ranging between this high and this low. So we could come up here, then short, then come down here, then long, and we could continue just ranging. That's GC. Let's look at NQ. NQ looks a lot cleaner. It's so obvious that we're clearly bullish on the NQ. Don't have to worry about it. So maybe NQ will be the play today. NQ here. This is a 1 hour fair value gap. You caught that Asia short? Yeah, that Asia short was fucking beautiful. That Asia short, the whole thing, all the way from here. This was the inverse here, held all the way down to London lows. This was like a 1 to 3 risk to reward. No, this was more than a 1 to 3. I think it was a 1 to 4. Yeah, this was a 1 to 4. Almost a 1 to 5 R trade. Held the whole way through. Disgusting move. NQ left equal highs above, equal session level highs. So obvious. What do we want open to do? Boom, boom. Bias on NQ. This is that 1 hour low. We can take it as liquidity. Tap into this 1 hour FVG and continue going higher. Let's see if ES is, not really any SMTs. Man, y'all boys, give me a second. We're back. Golly, fucking shit, man. What's going on, brothers? What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? All right. Let's go back to gold. I think gold is gonna come up and take out these highs. We've already started. This looks a lot like AMD accumulation, and we manipulated lower. Me and my Discord caught the manipulation move lower. I took profits here at London lows. As you can see, that was pretty much where the move was done. It went just a couple bit lower. I wasn't aiming for these lows. Just a couple bit lower, and then it reversed. Cool. So accumulation, manipulation, looks like we're distributing back to the upside. We could low-key get a Timmy model, but I low-key do want to see a session liquidity model play out here. So this is gold. If we look on the 5-minute, the 5-minute already made a sweep low-key. It might not come back down here. We already made a sweep right here. It might not come back down here until we take out the highs, but we'll see. We're not really trading anything right now. We have news at 8. So we low-key should wait for the news. We don't know how it'll affect gold. What's the news? So this is technically like if Jerome Powell was speaking, right? Man, I miss Jerome Powell. That's technically like if Jerome Powell was speaking. So that's gold. NQ has taken out the level. I shorted gold, guys. Good luck. If you did, go for a 1-to-1. Make it really short term. Are we to use IFEGs or FVGs? When you're trading the session liquidity model, you're supposed to use IFEGs. Okay, let's see how NASDAQ reacts off this 1-hour gap. Oh, SMT. Well, it's not even really an SMT, but it is. I like it. Golly. Fuck, I'm about to kill myself. Where the fuck is my water? Did y'all hear that swallow? Jesus Christ. Ah! Woo! DXY. I'll be real. I don't check DXY. I don't need it. That doesn't mean you shouldn't. I just don't check it. I don't need it. Why? If gold really is bearish, I'm trusting my model to not give me a bullish setup. What's my take on gold? Yeah. I am seeing a lot of new viewers in, what's it called? I am seeing a lot of new viewers in Axumite Lyrics. I don't think I've ever seen you in here. Welcome. Give me a little bit more insight about the DXY. I can check it out too. And Nkateko Methubula the Trader. I'm sorry if I mispronounced your name, but welcome. Welcome to the live. What's going on, Ben Johnson? Welcome, welcome. 32 viewers. Is today the day we hit 100 viewers? By the way, guys, if y'all aren't in my free Discord yet, that's where I'm going to start doing giveaways. So if we were to, let's say, hit 100 followers, 100 viewers on stream right now, I would do giveaways and all that fun stuff. And I also want to do a giveaway for March. I'm going to be giving out some Futures Elites account. I don't know if any of you have traded with them, but I just got some accounts with them right now on Futures Elites. Your rules are pretty good. Your rules are actually pretty good. And what I like the most is your bulk discount right here. So I'm going to be giving away 3 of these accounts in July, right? So y'all can test it out, trade with it, see if you like it, all that fun stuff. But I'll be real, if y'all go check out your rules and all of that stuff, it's genuinely some good rules, and I just copped some. But yeah, make sure you're in the Discord. That's where I'll be hosting all the giveaways. And yeah, if you want to join, link is in the bio. No, not bio, description. So you have to be careful when you're talking about YouTube versus Instagram. Boom. Yes, already swept. Discord invite, it should be in the bio. It should be in the description of this video. It should be. Do you use DXY for entry or do you use DXY for analysis? Very big difference. For example, I use the 5-minute IFEG for entry. I do not use that shit for analysis. I use the 1 hour for analysis. For analysis, there we go. I'll look into it. OTE for gold using yesterday's daily range. Let me check. This didn't really sweep, I'll be honest. I'm trading OTE, it got a sweep. That didn't really sweep. So that means, well, you want to use yesterday's daily range. That means from this high to this low, that's not a good like OTE draw. This low didn't put in a new low, so I wouldn't consider this a range. I would consider this a range. This is the range. And we already hit OTE. That's why when we hit OTE already, we should have taken out the low, but we didn't. And now we're back here. It's like, why are we back here in OTE? We already did OTE, we already manipulated, we already put in a low. So it's like, based off technical analysis, short term, we do look bullish till at least we take out this high. But if we start flooding, then we start flooding. I don't expect my strategy to give me an entry if there is none. So that's how it works. But guys, a little update on where we are at on the week. So Monday we won well. Tuesday we lost $150 on stream, and then I made about 3,000 off stream. I posted it in my free Discord. I did that during Asia session, and then so this morning we're like deep in profit, And I'm pretty sure I fucked up my consistency rules, whatever. But we're deep, deep, deep in profit, and we're going to trade today. Risk about $500, go for base hits till we can get above consistency rules and all that fun stuff. But on the week, we're extremely profitable this week so far. We could lose every single day and still be profitable. And once you have that mentality, it's easier for you to take good trades and not revenge trade, because you know you're profitable regardless of the outcome of your trade. So that's kind of how I like to do. Every morning, I'll give you all a recap of where we're at on the week in case somebody's new that's joining. We won Monday. We took a $150 loss Tuesday. I took a banger trade in Asia session, and now we're in New York session, ready to kill it again. 45 concurrent viewers. Damn, we grew quick. NQ creates a 5-minute FVG. Yeah, it does. I'm just not gonna take it because we have news coming out soon. What time is it? 7:45. This is pretty much like Jerome Powell speaking. So I usually hop on to trade Asia at 7 as well, but I hopped on at 6:30 only because I was noticing a pattern with gold. That's the only reason I hopped on at like 6:30, 6:30-ish. Only because I was noticing a pattern with gold. What gold would do is at 6, right before Asia session starts, it'll do its little manipulation. And then when Asia session starts, it just like, look at Asia session, no manipulation. It just straight dumps. So that's just what I noticed. So I started hopping on for Asia session, kind of like how I do for New York. I'll hop on at 7, even though New York doesn't start till 8:30. I'll hop on at 7 for the pre-session or whatever. So I started doing that for Asia session, and I'll hop on at like 6:30-ish, and then see if I find something till Asia open. And then when Asia opens, it usually just continues the move. Asia open doesn't really manipulate like that. What indicator do I use for session levels? It's this one. ICTQ zones and pivots TFO, and these are my settings. Screenshot it, do what you need. I don't gatekeep. All I ask is that y'all continue to support me, join my streams, and let's win together. I'm trying to grow one of the largest trading communities the world has ever seen. And I want to make all of you profitable. I'm showing you how to do it live on stream every day. I'm showing you. Go through my streams, watch all my old videos. It's profitable. Look at the track record. It's profitable. I'm showing you every day how to do it. You take the loss, you walk away. You take the dub, you walk away. You place the trade, you go to the gym. I'm showing you how to do it. Guys, let's just wait. What's it called? I haven't really done much analysis on NAS because like 8 o'clock, Jerome Powell technically is gonna be speaking. Warsh speaks, whatever. That's Jerome Powell to me, nigga. Jerome Powell's gonna be speaking, and then at 8:30, market's gonna open. So it's like we might as well just wait. We have like 45 minutes of not placing it, 40 minutes of not placing a trade. God damn. 54 viewers? Is YouTube pushing my stream? I think YouTube is pushing my stream. That's because we've been consistent. Consistency, consistency, consistency. That's the name of the game, man. I look, you want to be that like coach. I want to be that coach or that I don't know if y'all go to the gym. I hope y'all do. Please make sure y'all go to the gym. Take your health very seriously. There's no point in making money in trading if you don't take your health very seriously. But I want to be that guy at the gym like, bitch, I'd rather die. Nah, you gonna lift the weight. I've always been like a motivational like type of guy, and it works, man. It really does. Believe it or not, I used to be a lazy piece of shit. I used to hate back testing. I used to hate journaling my trades. I forced myself to get very, very, very disciplined. Very disciplined. Like, I used to hate doing all of that shit. So that's just to let you know that I'm just like y'all. And you see me, I'll lose a trade and you'll see me get mad. I'll win a trade and you'll see me get happy. But you will not see me revenge trade. And you will not see me FOMO. Nigga, I lost my trade yesterday. They were asking, bro, Dae, why are you so down, bro? It's okay. I'm like, nigga, because I lost. Fuck you mean, why am I so down? Like, how young am I? I am 22 years old. I turned 23 in October. October 16th, to be exact. It's my birthday. Still looking. It looks like we're just ranging right now on gold. Yes, nigga. Hey. Once you go to the gym, you have to die every day. If you're not dying, you're not living. Once you go to the gym, kill yourself. Die, nigga. Hey, YouTube, I'm talking about the gym. Fuck. YouTube, I'm talking about the gym. The gym. Not real life. The gym. Fuck. YouTube's not that sensitive, right? YouTube's not that sensitive. It can't be. YouTube, I was talking about the gym, please. Yeah, I think I'll be straight. Yeah, let's chill on that, though. Let's chill on that. Okay. I'm gonna be so mad I wake up tomorrow, my account's gone. God forbid. YouTube, deadass, I'm talking about the gym, please. No, Carlos, it can't be. YouTube is chilling. If we have time, can you break down that Asia trade of yours? We have time right now. I want to do that right now, actually. I was going to do that. I'm going to do that right now. Let's break it down. Okay, this was the Asia trade I took. All right, I'm not gonna delete any of these lines because I don't want my New York levels to be deleted, but y'all try and bear with me. Okay, so number one, what are we doing? We're downtrending. So we answered the 3 questions. Where are you at? Where are you coming from? Where are you going? Boom, downtrending. And then we put in a little uptrend, and then we put in a new low. Boom. So then, what did I do? This is now my range. My range is from this high to this low. Cool. So I take out my fib, I draw it from this high to this low. Where are we at? We are in peak, like almost exactly OTE, and we rejected from OTE. Okay, cool. So we've answered the question. Where are we at? We are in OTE rejecting. Where could we possibly go? Swing low. That doesn't mean you're going to take a trade to that low. That just means you're going to take a trade to that direction. Okay? Where are we coming from? We are downtrending. Let's go a little bit tighter. I really need y'all to understand market structures, right? We put in a high. We put in a low. We put in a high. We put in a lower low. Then we put in a higher high. Guys, this low should be protected. High, low, high, sweep, higher high. This low should be protected. Am I straight or gay? Bro, are you dead ass? Hold on, I'm trying to explain something. I'm trying to like help you all out here. This low here should be protected, right? Because I know that this low should be protected, when I'm trading back down to this low, I'm expecting a bloodbath. Okay, if we break through this low, we're gonna flush. Where could we reject off of? 1 hour, no wick candles. I love those. Price always comes back to that. So I'm not worried about this order block anymore. Now my target is this low for a sweep of liquidity. Cool. I've done all of that in a 1 hour time frame. I haven't even dropped down to the 5 minute. I'll be real, I think I genuinely trade the 1 hour. And then I use 5 minutes to enter. Okay, drop down to the 5 minute time frame. On the 5 minute time frame, I'm looking for a continuation pattern to continue lower. We're waiting. Boom. We've taken out this low. Once this low got taken out, I'm not looking for longs. This is the protected low that I said if we take out this low, we're dumping. A lot of people are trying to start longing this. Oh, we took out this low and we got an inverse fair value gap. Isn't this the session liquidity model? That's pattern trading. Go to the 1 hour first. Do all of those analysis first. And then come down to the 5 minute, the 3 minute, the 2 minute, God damn it, the 1 minute if that's what you trade. And then your entry model, which that's all the session liquidity is. That's pretty much what most strategy is. It's just an entry model. Your entry model has to align with your analysis. Cool. So I'm not taking these longs. I'm waiting. Okay, here I took shorts instead. Why did I take shorts? Guys, I've talked about this a lot. After you're done breaking down the Asia session trade, could you explain how to find bias, withdrawal, and liquidity? Maybe. It depends on what's going on in the charts. Okay, guys, I've talked about this a lot. When you're trading gold, there are two. There's really three. There's MGC, there's GC, and there's XAU USD. XAU USD is the CFD version of gold. They move almost very, like as a 99.9% identical, right? So I don't know if y'all are familiar with SMT, but SMT, we usually use that on ES and NQ. But when you're trading gold, if you notice something, and it'll be slight, on MGC, this high was a lower high. We never took out that high. But if you switch over to XAU USD, we did. Whenever you see this on GC and gold, not NQ or ES, I'm sure maybe there's a different rule for NQ and ES, but whenever you see this on GC and gold, the move is going to be massive. I've noticed it a lot. The move is going to be massive. I waited so this is technically my session liquidity model setup. We come back, we're retesting Asia session, we sweep liquidity, we inverse a 5 minute fair value gap, we have a SMT with the CFD version of gold. I took the trade on this 5 minute inverse. I got into a short position. And I did not sell a single contract till full TP. I didn't sell a single thing till full TP. Because whenever I see these, I hold it. Once Asia session opened and we started continued dumping, I then just moved break even. Still didn't sell a single contract. And then TP. That was the Asia session trade on gold. It was actually like beautiful. It was so textbook. And that's how I did it. From understanding market structure, Why? I don't want this low to be taken if we are to remain bullish. The moment this low gets taken, I'm not looking for longs anymore. That's why you have to be careful on what type of liquidity sweep you're looking for. It's not just any low that you can. Can one say SMT divergences helps as confluence and we avoid missing a move for swings to be swept because now we know there was a divergence? I really don't understand your question, brother. I'm sorry. I really don't understand your question, but I just gave y'all some sauce. Hey, who in here trades CFDs? Who here trades CFDs? Anybody? Let me know. Comments. Comments. Who trades CFDs? CFDs. Who trades CFDs? You trade, okay. Ben trades CFDs. XMI trades CFDs. Lakewood trades CFDs. Syed trades CFDs. Okay. Okay. Cool. So do y'all trade CFD prop firms? Catchy trades CFDs. Y'all trade CFD prop firms? How much is a CFD 50K account in dollars? How much is a CFD 50K account in dollars? Yes, and a live account. Okay, how much is a CFD 50K account in dollars? God damn. $250? CFD prop from Funded Next, okay. You trade CFD live account, okay. I want to know prop. I want to know prop. $250, $250. Anybody else trade a different prop that's a different price or 250? Jesus is the way on life. 100% I agree. Between 260 and 320, 180 to 250. Okay, you guys are overpaying. Why don't y'all switch over to futures? Let me know. Let me know. Why don't y'all switch over to futures? $264, way too much. Why don't y'all switch over to futures? What's going on? Why haven't y'all traded futures? They don't let y'all, they don't let you in your countries. My country is usually restricted. Okay, okay. Most futures don't work in your country. Okay, okay. Anybody else? Did 8 o'clock hit? Yeah, 8 o'clock hit. Okay. Guys, join my free Discord. Stay tuned. I'm fixing that for y'all. I'm gonna get the only thing I ask. Tradeivate and Ninja Trader restricted too. It's I don't think it's Tradeivate and Ninja Trader that's restricting it. I think it's the prop, and then you're logging into the props Tradeivate. I could be wrong though. You're logging into the props Tradeivate because once you try to sign into your Tradeivate account, you put in the prop firm login that they gave you. So that's where they'll restrict you from or whatever. So I think that's mainly where they're restricting you from because you do the KYC on the prop firm, not actually Tradeivate because it's demo. That's demo money the firm is giving you. But don't know futures. Look at this is futures gold. This is Nasdaq. This is CFD gold. What's the difference? It looks the same price action to me. They're doing the same thing. There's no difference. So guys, I'm working on getting y'all a futures firm. I appreciate it. Guys, I'm working on getting y'all a futures firm that will allow most of y'all's country, hopefully, by the end of the week, I'll have more information for y'all that will allow most of y'all's firm and actually be able to help y'all out. It will be significantly cheaper than $150. It'll be the same futures prop firm rules. I will be honest, futures rules are harder than CFD rules, but if you actually know how to trade, that really doesn't matter. I can go past a CFD firm and I can go past a futures firm. I could pass intraday drawdown. I can pass end of day drawdown. It's like you shouldn't be worried about how good your rules are. You should more be worried about if you know how to trade. If you know how to trade, your rules doesn't really matter. It just becomes annoying. Cool. So I'm working on getting y'all a futures firm, and I'm gonna be real. I want y'all to ditch CFD. I can easily get a CFD firm and like tell y'all, hey, use this CFD firm, but y'all are paying way too much on these CFD firms. Unless you want to keep paying for that, then sure. But if you're trading gold, I trade gold with y'all. I just trade the futures version of gold, and my prop firms cost $30. You don't need to pay $250 for the prop firm, man. They're rinsing you. They're rinsing you. And then the emotions are way bigger because you're paying a lot of, like, I can't even imagine paying $200 for a prop firm, man. I can't even imagine that. So I'm going to get that situated for you at the end of the week. Obviously, code DAE at checkout, but save y'all some more money as well. But let's get that fixed up, man. And I'm talking to Apex too to see if Apex can take off that restriction on most African countries. But we'll see. Apex is a little bit bigger, so they might tell me to fuck off. I doubt it though. I doubt it. I'm cool with them. Consistency rule. Okay, consistency rule, if I am not mistaken, is basically just like, for example, if you're trading and you did $3,000 in profit, and they say you have a 50% consistency rule. All you're saying is that out of the $3,000 in one singular trade, just one trade should not be higher than 50% of the total profits. So what's 50% of 3,000? That's 1,500. So they're pretty much saying don't make more than $1,500 on one trade if your total profit is 3,000. Just swept Asia high on gold, guys. Okay, let's go. Let's work. Let's go trade. Boy, I'm not deleting all that shit one by one. No, we haven't touched it yet. Oh, well, this Asia session high we have, yeah. No, I'm gonna wait on gold here. I'm gonna wait on gold here. Let's see something. Gold could go a heck of a lot lower. Like, it's not valid to consider this a sweep, in my opinion. Not valid. This looks more like a break, and this looks more like we're gonna continue lower. High, low, higher high, lower low, failed to put in a higher high, and now we're breaking. It's like, it could just keep doing this. So let's just wait. Let's be patient. Let's see what it gives us. I think the play might be on NQ in ES. Massive, massive SMT. If I'm not mistaken, yeah, this is a Timmy setup if I'm not mistaken. But let's see how well it works. Come on, Gold, give me something else. Like, are we reacting out of something else? 1 hour fair value gap while inverse in this 1 hour gap. Better. Better, Gold. That's better. Okay, let's look at it. Two-minute inverse. Let's wait. Let's be patient. Wait, what time do you consider the start of an Asia? Hold on, hold on, hold on. I'm gonna skip this trade actually. It could work, but it's not clean. There's no inverse for me to really take here. 5 minute, there's nothing. Let's check the 4 minute. 4 minute, there's nothing. 3 minute, there's nothing. 2 minute, we already had the inverse down here, but then up here, there's nothing. Yeah, it's a Timmy, but it's like, where's the inverse gonna be at? This 1 minute here, I guess. Or this 1 minute down here, maybe. We got 1 minute inverses here. $15-minute rejected well. I'm gonna wait. Fucking shit. There's no way. It has to be a much faster way to do it. Has to be a faster way to do this. I feel like a noob. This is a Timmy model, but oh, nice retest too. This is a Timmy model and it could work. It should work actually. It's like, oh no, I just didn't like the inverse was down here while the 15-minute gap was in here. So I wanted a gap like that's actually in the range. We got this one. We're retesting it. We're going higher. I mean, let's see. I don't think I'm going to take it though, but I do think it will work. I just wasn't confident in it. Because if there was like a big old 2-minute gap here, I would have been extremely confident in it. There was just no clean gaps, but it's booming, it's working. That's the Timmy model. It's one of the strats, one of the guys in my Discord, is Loki an admin. He created it and now my Discord server uses it. Carlos, your limit is valid till this high here gets taken. Once this high here gets taken, delete that limit. Oh no, I smell something. I don't know, it kind of stinks. Like, I don't know, man. I just don't like the lower highs. So I'm just gonna ignore it. What about the NASDAQ? What's NQ doing? Hey, once this high gets taken here, delete your limit. Hold on, let me go find him. Where is he? Where is he? No, I'm gonna find him. Well, a guy came in here telling me gold is bearish, gold is gonna dump. Hey, this is why you ignore your chat. Gold is bearish, gold is gonna dump. Okay, let me listen to him. Short. Stop loss. It's like, even though gold is bearish, that's long term. That's long term. What's gold gonna do now? Now, there's liquidity right here. So if gold is bearish, cool, but that doesn't mean this can't happen. Like, where's his name? Said something about DXY or something like that. I don't know. Like, yeah, I skipped that play. I didn't like it. I didn't like it. Guys, you see me a lot when I'm trading. You hear me say, I don't like it. Ooh, I really like this one. It's because you're being selective. You have to be very, very selective. You have to be very, very selective. So it's like, if gold was to dump, I would really, really want that dump from London session high, or at minimum, this high. That's where I would like the dump from. So even if gold dumps right now, I'm still expecting maybe news or something to come out. Is there news coming out? There is at 9, but does this really affect gold like that? So I am expecting at least these highs here. Whereas on NQ, we have absolutely nothing. So NQ is literally waiting on market open. So let's just wait with it. Bro, how much did I study? Explain. Explain that for me, man. Education? As for school or trading? Are you talking about school or trading? I did both. I am a college graduate. School or trading? School. I did 4 years of school. I studied finance. I'm a finance major. I studied finance because I thought finance was similar to trading. It is not. But they taught me a lot though about investing, how to business, whatever. School's not a scam. A lot of people say it is. That's the one viewpoint that me as an entrepreneur and a trader don't agree with. School's not a scam. It's really what you do after you're done with school. I studied finance and then I started a business. They didn't really scam me, did they? So it's like, school's not a scam. It depends on what you do with it. If you go to school, if you go to dance school, and then afterwards you decide to go be a yoga instructor and you're broke as shit, then maybe school scammed you because you didn't utilize it correctly. If you go to school to become a nurse and then after you graduate, you go work at McDonald's, and school scammed you because you didn't utilize it correctly. So school's not really a scam to me. It's just a matter of how you use the information they gave you. That's my thought process on that. I never believed that just because I went to school, I had to get a job. That's not how it works. It's the same concept with if somebody joins my mentorship program or if somebody joins my Discord or whatever, you don't automatically become profitable because you joined. You still have to learn. Like, you still have to learn the shit. So it's like, do I make more money from trading or business? It's coming to the point where it's getting like close. It's coming to the point where it's getting really close. If my trading doesn't scale in the next few months or so, I will be making more from my business. It's coming to that point. Especially since bro, that gold trade played so nice and quick. Yeah, I did. Bullish. Bulls. How could we have caught that Timmy trade? If you had taken the inverse down here, but then it's not safe because the 15-minute gap was here. Hey, this Timmy model is cracked. Hey, we need to change the name ASAP before it starts getting mainstream. Because if y'all want, I can make it mainstream. I'll make a couple of viral Instagram videos about it. That shit will blow. Model T, the T model. Then there's a trader called TT Trades. People think that's his model. I gotta take this. Yeah, let's just call it his name, TJ. Like the TJ model. That's his model. Let me get off the 1 minute ASAP. What is the T model? Can I explain it? Give me a second. Come on, NASDAQ. What are we doing? I really hope today's not a no trade day. Okay, now I know for certain we're aiming for these highs. Okay, because we're aiming for these highs, can we catch something? This low should be protected. High, low, high, sweep, broke. This low should be protected. It should be. That means if we start trading below this low, price wants to come fill in all these gaps and go probably lower. We'll see. This is what, a rejection block? Something like that. I don't trade these, but that's what they call them. A rejection block. They want the sauce, you see. That's up to TJ. Join the free Discord. TJ will explain it to y'all. That's his model. Join the free Discord. TJ will genuinely explain it to y'all. He don't be gatekeeping. Oh, it played out so beautiful too. Man, sometimes I be hating my discretion. I just didn't like it. Golly. Market open in 3 minutes, y'all. Market open in 3 minutes. Yeah, he should. I'm getting on call with him later tonight to help him with some stuff. I'm gonna tell him to create module videos about it. It's his model. And then low-key, I'm gonna ask Marcus to do the same. That's only if he wants to. Cause I'm sure Marcus would have caught this shit right now. It's about to. Patience. Patience is a virtue. Yeah, Marcus be hitting crazy RR. Marcus be hitting insane RRs. Okay. This could be like AMD, bro. It's dumping right before market open. Watch. In the 1 hour fair value gap. This does look like it's just breaking lower. What's ES? ES isn't doing anything. Oh, watch. Still equal highs above. Okay, if ES dumps and takes out this trendline liquidity, taps this level for a long, I'll take it. If we don't take out these highs when market opens. There's no way we don't take out these highs. We're gonna take it out now? What did NQ do? NQ kept dumping. Okay, we're watching ES. Come on, ES, go lower. Go lower. No way. I want this. I want that. Come on, ES. Go lower. 15-minute sweep now. We low-key don't have to go lower. I would just really love this level to get tapped. But there's a 15-minute sweep. Patience. Patience, guys, patience. Trade might be on ES today. Boom, okay. Anything now is fair game. Let's see how it reacts first. I low-key don't want this low to be taken. Once this low gets taken, I might not really look for longs anymore. I want to see it react off here first. MNQ is rejecting. This looks like AMD accumulation, manipulation, distribution back to the upside. While in a 1 hour gap. Oh yeah, we're flipping. Okay. Do we have anything? Two-minute gap here. 2-minute IFEG. Unless this shit also wants to keep dumping. Equal highs above us. SMT like a motherfucker. This shit's just dumping, bro. This could be the sweep to continue lower to go this way. This is just dumping. Like, if it wants to be bullish, this low won't get taken. Once this low gets taken, I'm not really looking for longs. Yeah, on the 1 hour it does. But you have to give context of where we're at. This is a long-term bullish structure versus this tiny short-term downward structure. It's like overall NQ's bullish, ES is bullish. Today it might just be a little bearish, take out some lows and then continue higher. Yeah, okay. It's bearish with equal highs above. What did gold do? Gold still hasn't taken out our high, so we're still waiting. Gold can give us a clean continuation model if it comes down and sweeps this low and then continues higher. So we're still waiting on that. ES has taken out this low. So I'm done looking at it. Do I take the retest of the IFEG or immediately the invest? What firm am I using? I'm trading Apex. Come on, gold. I think gold is our last like trade that we could potentially get. Even if we were bearish on ES, we wouldn't take it. This is London high. It never swept it. So this inverse, you don't even get an inverse. It's not valid. It's at 8:30. Look at the market. It's 8:30 and we just start dumping. What is that? 8:30 start dumping. Where is it gonna dump to? Why are you dumping? Excuse me. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Retrace. Retrace, girl. Retrace for me, girl. Come on, baby. I just want this from gold. That's all I want. I wouldn't really long this, I'll be real. Because even too long, your entry won't be all the way up here. That's disgusting. So how are you gonna have it like this? You have to go break even here. And also it's like the moment this low got taken, we flipped to a bearish structure. This is a sweep of liquidity and a break of structure down here. .5 is that black line I marked out. What is that black line? Massive fair value gap, session levels. You could probably get a Timmy model out of that. What did gold do? Gold's not going to give it to us. That's fine. Gold is just running. It's not going to give us the whatever. Does Marcus use a different model? Yes, he does. And he be catching 1 to 10s and shit. It's just crazy. His model suffers from over trading though. Every day, there's usually like one good move. This is gold's one good move. That is just doing without us. And boom. There would be final TP. Oh, fuck me. Timmy model undefeated. I thought gold, hey, somebody said gold was bearish today. I don't see bears. I don't see them. I see bears on NASDAQ. That bitch is dumping. Shall I live stream Asia session today? Because if we don't catch a trade on New York session, we might catch one on Asia. Because we missed this gold trade. And then NQ or ES, our bias was just off. Asia's just so boring. Like, at least on gold, we can see massive candles. Gold is gone. I'm not expecting much from it anymore. Gold left. If we were to get a Timmy model, we would need price action to put in a low first and then come sweep out the high. But seriously though, equal highs above, are we actually not going to take that? There's no way we don't take this. The SMT with ES, this is ES, this is NASDAQ. This is Tuesday at 8. Tuesday at 8. There's no longer any SMT. There's no longer an SMT. We took out all the same levels that ES took out, that NASDAQ took out. Oh, you're talking about SMT with the Timmy model. If this thing is bullish and it wants to just rip, then this 5-minute shouldn't get inversed. If this thing is really bullish. Timmy on NQ requires an SMT. If this thing is really bearish, this 5-minute shouldn't get inversed. If it gets inversed, I'll take it. I'll risk less though. Like 250 on this. Only if it gets inversed. What's it called? As far as the Timmy model, right now we're low-key grasping for straws. The trade was gold. We're low-key grasping for straws with NQ and ES. NQ shouldn't take out this low though. It shouldn't touch this low. This low swept this low. We broke a higher high. This is also a liquidity low. Higher high. Higher high. OTE. Should start reacting. I don't know why it's still dumping. Gold is gone. We missed it. Gold is gone. They said something in this meeting, man. Hey, somebody said gold was bearish. Where are they? Somebody said gold was bearish. Somebody said gold was bearish. I haven't seen a single black candle yet. There's red folder news at 10 on 9. This looks a lot like AMD to me. I can't lie. Like, gold is just moving up. This looks a lot like AMD to me, though. And look at ES. ES is a lot more bullish. I actually might fuck around and take this. just because of these equal highs above. And then we could take Asia session high and this high. I might take this. I might. Who knows? Who knows? It shouldn't inverse that if we're bearish. Just shouldn't. It just shouldn't inverse this if we're bearish. It just really shouldn't. It's like this could be like the end of the retracement leg to start the this looks like AMD. This looks just like AMD. I can't lie. Let's wait and be patient. NASDAQ is a lot more volatile. So after this gets inversed, I'm not surprised if NASDAQ will come back and take you out. Versus on ES, if this gets inversed, I doubt it's coming back down. I really doubt it. ES will move slower, but it'll be a lot less risky. NASDAQ will just come stop you out. It doesn't give a shit. Yeah, this is the last play. NASDAQ has equal highs with London highs as well. Ooh, wee. Zooey mama. Zooey mama. Niggas want to short this? Even if it works, why? Why do you see massive blue and then you fade it? Like, you have to understand that you're trying to catch this here after we've already had something like this. We're cooling off. Now you're trying to catch the next one. You don't try to catch a reversal here. And it's like, no, just do, each time you try and short when it's clearly trending, you have a 10% win rate. So if this works, congratulations, that 10% played in your favor. But it's like, even if it's like, oh, daily sweep, whatever, all that fun shit, we're coming out from a daily low sweep as well. It's like, just go with what the current trend is telling you. This doesn't really scream short to me. But if it starts really like breaking structure to the downside, then short it. But if you're trying to like catch the top of the move here, then it's like, come on, bro. Wow, ES is really coming to inverse this. I like this, guys. I like this. Reacting off a 1 hour gap. We've already filled it. I'm bullish. I'm extremely bullish. What about a 1 to 2? What about NASDAQ? NASDAQ has inversed. For NASDAQ, I could look put my stops at the low. Damn, it's much fucking fatter. There's those equal highs. Damn, you make a little bit more with NASDAQ. This looks good, man. I can't lie. Oh shit. I have news in 6 minutes, 30 seconds. Don't nerf me, news. Okay, let's see what news does. News, I want news to come down into our level. Once it starts rejecting, I'll get into a long. That's what I want news to do. I want news to come down into our level. Once it starts rejecting, I'll get into a long. 3-minute inversed. So I would be in this trade if there wasn't news, but I like this recovery. Let's see what news does. 5-minute will inverse in 52 seconds. It's a great trade. We just need, fuck me, man. News, bro. News, let's wait. Let's see what news does. What prop do I use? I trade, I have them on my screen. Apex, Lucid, futureselite, and tradeify. Let's really see what news does. We're rejecting out of this hourly. This hourly is going to close in 5 minutes. Nice strong rejection from this order block. Nice 5-minute inverse closure. Let's see what news does. We have to wait for news. It's like, that's what a good trader would do. Man, it looks so much like AMD to me, bro. How's it going? It's going good. I'm waiting on this news drop. It looks so much like AMD to me. Accumulation, manipulation. Bro, it looks so obvious. Accumulation, manipulation to distribute higher. This trade looks ridiculously obvious. I can't lie. Can even do 2 contracts if we're scared. 2 contracts would make us $1,000 if full TP hits. Come on, news. Bro, if news just skyrockets this shit, I'll be sick. I want news to manipulate. I want this shit to manipulate lower because of news. And then once it starts rejecting, we're in that. Manipulate lower. Don't just skyrocket. Manipulate lower because of news. Come in here. And the moment it starts rejecting, we're in that. I'm not in it yet. I'm not in NQ longs yet. I want to be though. I just hope this doesn't skyrocket. Come on, NQ. Come on. I'll probably long NQ. It's just more volatile. I didn't want to long NQ before because I thought I was going to trade before news, but I'm waiting till after news. I don't know why I have a feeling this shit's going to like run without me. Hold on, I can't really look at gold right now. Come on, come on, come on, NQ. Don't do it, NQ. Don't do it. Don't do it. Golly. No way. No way. No way. No way, NQ. Retrace. Retrace for me, baby. Come on, baby girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Retrace for me, baby. Retrace for me, girl. Retrace for me, girl. Come on, girl. This shit's not gonna retrace. This is a clear AMD. Okay. Okay. Not bad. Sweep out these lows. Sweep out these lows. This shit might not tag me in. Why though? You don't want these lows? Some people trade your stops to break even. Come take them out. Low key, yeah. But I'm not really worried about it. This looks extremely bullish. Like I know where this is going. It looks too bullish. Like accumulation, we manipulated lower to distribute higher. Accumulated, manipulated lower to distribute higher. Like, but once this high starts getting taken, let's call it a day, bro. I'm getting tired of these no trade days. I'll just, if I don't get tagged in, I'll probably just trade Asia session. Did it do some type of 1 minute sweep? No, there's not even a sweep on the 1 minute. There's nothing. There's nothing here. Just temporarily go lower. I don't think it will. I'm just hoping it does because that's just where my entry is. And that's a common price action phenomenon. It'll sweep lows and then continue going higher. I don't know if I'm gonna go live though for Asia. It's a 3 minute low. Just a regular old 3 minute low. I don't think it sweeps it though. Without taking out this high first. I don't want this high taken. That's my break-even point. Like the news I was worried about didn't even do nothing. We would have been in this trade up here. The news I was worried about didn't even do a damn. And then tomorrow I'll ignore news and then I'll get cooked. You see how trading fucks with you? Oh my God, bro. This was the easiest longs of all time. I missed 2 trades today. What is this? It takes too long to it takes too much to be able to stream on TikTok and YouTube at the same time. TJ model on NQ. I don't see it. I see the session liquidity model. This was the inverse. It's just, bro, why was I worried about news? Why was I worried about news? Once this high gets taken, it's clipped. Yeah. Giving false hope and shit. So these news aren't really important. ISM, manufacturing, PMI. I don't know why I was worried about that. We should have just taken our long. We would be break even right now. And TP1 is about to get hit. Who took those longs? Come on, Dae. Walk in. Who took those longs? Yeah, it's because news has cooked me before, but I'll be real, I've never been cooked by ISM, manufacturing, PMI. I've never been cooked by this. It's just a red folder news. So it's like you kind of have to wait till after. Like you have to wait. I'm not getting in on a limit anymore, but I will get in on a sweep and an IFEG back to the upside. I'll get in on the trade again. But I'm not getting in on a pure limit anymore. That's why I took off the limit. So we can still hop back in these longs because it doesn't matter that this high has been taken. This is bare minimum. It's gonna go a lot higher, but I just need an entry. All right, brother. I just need an entry. That's all. Gold is done. Oh, no one's trading this. What did we sweep out? Oh, okay. These are the highs I wanted on gold. We just swept it. That doesn't mean I'm gonna short this, but short actually now could play out because these are long-term highs. We could still get something on NASDAQ. Don't sleep on it. We could still get something on ES. ES is a lot more bullish. No, I'm bullish all the way on ES. This will give a retracement and it'll continue higher. I'm bullish all the way on both of them. I'm bullish all the way. Like it's going to go all the way. Will it? Will it? Let's see. I know how AMD works. Eric, I really need to know where your entry was on this. You said you took a Timmy Long model. I don't actually like see it. There's nothing in here. The only trade was this one, which we already saw. We were willing to take. I'm low-key upset. Uh, good stuff. It's 9:12. All right, come on, Nasdaq. Come sweep some lows, man. Come on, let's do it. Come on, let's sweep some lows. In about 15, 20 more minutes, I'm going to the gym, and I guess there's a no trade day. I'll come trade Asia session. We missed two setups today. We missed this gold setup, but I missed it on purpose because I didn't really like it. Ended up winning. And then the ES trade. I liked this one a lot. We waited for news. News came out, didn't do a damn, and left without us. Those are two setups we missed today. Or I missed today. A lot of y'all caught it. NQ might give us something. I'm a lot more bullish on this, believe it or not. I think this is the end of this whole little downward trend. I think this is the end of it. There's no reason to go lower. Yeah, it's the end of it. Look at ES. ES is gonna come take out these highs. And then what's it called? NASDAQ is a lot more bullish than NQ. I mean than ES, so NASDAQ will just rip and like it'll start ripping a little later today. That's low-key what I'm seeing or what I think. The free Discord link is in this stream's description, like right now. Boom, free Discord link. Mr. B, I see you called out a setup at 843. Did you take it? That's the exact same thing we were looking at. So now we have to take a lesser quality setup, but only if it does it well, because I still have that bullish bias. I just need to see some type of liquidity get swept. Look at ES holding. Trust me, NQ will come around. This happening on ES and not NQ is very rare. NQ is about to come back. That's why it's like, can we get an entry before it does? Which I think it's about to give us. This is not a sweep to go lower. I don't want to take this lower. This looks like a sweep to go higher, and this is the target. Come on, NQ, come on, go all the way, sweep it. Come on, NQ. Come on, buddy. And then it's leaving behind no FEG either. They don't want us to place a trade today, guys. I'm telling you, if this low gets swept, even better, this low gets swept with an IFEG, I'll enter into these longs. If not, and it just continues ripping without us, then shit. And same concept with NASDAQ. If NASDAQ comes in here and gives a continuation model, ES, I'll enter into some longs. But if it just continues running without us, the whole long trade is clipped the moment this high gets taken. So until this high gets taken, you can still keep looking for longs. The moment this high gets taken, the entire long, whatever, it's clipped. That's the objective. We're done. Even low-key this high, they be getting manipulative. Even low-key this high. God damn, hella niggas joining. I didn't know all of y'all weren't in here. This is getting ridiculous. All I'm simply waiting on is this 5-minute sweep. That's all. If we can get this sweep and then get a candle back here, I'll long it, and my stop loss will even be tighter, because now it'll be something like this, and targeting the same levels. That's all I'm looking for. I don't think it's gonna reverse here. I don't think so at all. If it does, I'll be shocked. Yeah, I know we're in a 1-hour gap. I know. But look at ES. Look at ES. ES don't give a damn. But the very moment ES starts taking out one of these highs up here, just clip it. No trade day. Because we're in a 1-hour gap, I'm expecting a retracement. Not a reversal, a retracement. Give us something, NQ. Also in a 4-hour FEG as well. Yep, 4-hour FEG after inversing this FEG here too. It's like, I know, I see the longs. I see it. Are you gonna make me just market sell, market order longs and put my stops all the way down? Like, I see the longs. I'm waiting for an entry. While ES just keeps going. If this makes them, if ES takes out these levels, like I said, I'm done. I'm done. What we doing, boys? Don't do it, NASDAQ. Just don't do it. Don't do it, NASDAQ. There's a reason you're hesitating, because you know you need liquidity before you're strong enough to do it. So just go get the liquidity. This is somebody's break even right now. I know somebody's break even somewhere down here. I'm sorry. I'm praying that you get stopped at break even. I'm trying to enter. Come on, NASDAQ. You know you need some liquidity. Same with you, ES. Continuation model. You know you need some liquidity. There we go. You know you need it. You know you need that. You know you need that. There we go, NASDAQ. Yeah, I trade every day. What's tomorrow? Thursday? Yeah. And is Friday? Friday's a bank holiday, so tomorrow's my last day trading. So I'm trading today and I'll trade tomorrow. You know you need that liquidity. Patience. We're not gonna FOMO into any of this. We're just not. We're gonna wait. We could get a Timmy out of this 3-minute. I think this goes hell of a lot higher, I'll be honest. Come on, Nas ES. Come on, girl. Any one of these I'll take. Any one. Any one of these I'll take. Oh, fuck me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Come on, ES. Reward me for being a good, disciplined trader. Reward me for being a good trader. Retrace. Yeah, it is because of prop firm. Potential 5-minute Timmy on gold. Yes, to continue going higher. 3 setups brewing. But I don't know, gold could like chop around. This was a huge move. Yeah, like, and this looks like a sweep. There we go. There we go, NASDAQ. Keep going. There we go, NASDAQ. Keep going. Come stop them out at break even. They're all break even right now. This is your inverse. Everybody and their mama is break even right now, NASDAQ. They're break even. They just went break even. Come get them. Come get them. It is. Yeah, Nas is chopping, but I think Nas is chopping because it wants to retrace. It wants to retrace for going higher. Like, it's in a 1 hour bullish fair value gap. I completely understand. I actually like completely understand. But the longs, it's so obvious on ES. And ES and NASDAQ are correlating pairs. So it's either ES drags NASDAQ with it or NASDAQ continues to chop while ES trends higher, takes out this high, and then dump. It's one of the other. And then that low I once swept is now officially a 15-minute FEG on ES. The low I once swept on ES is officially a 15-minute FEG. It's like, I know you want to go higher. Are you going to give it to me, though, before you go? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Take it. Take it. Take it now. Let's go. We can start participating maybe in this. Same with NASDAQ. Take it. If we get an entry on both NASDAQ and ES, I'll take it on ES. ES looks a lot more bullish. I still need one more thing from you, not ES. I need you to give me an FEG. I low-key still need you to give me an FEG ES. Or inverse this FEG to the downside and then inverse it back to the upside. I'll do that too. But I need an FEG from you, ES, I can't lie. There's that 15-minute. Let's see if it holds. Unless I take a 1 minute trade, which I actually don't mind doing. I'll use a lot lighter risk though for it. If I take this 1 minute, I'm using like light risk. I'll risk $250. Okay, good. No need for a 1 minute trade. NASDAQ, what's NASDAQ doing? Let's go, you're break even. Let's go, you're all break even. If this shit dumps, I'm hopping off the charts. Like what? I'm not about to now start waiting for a whole new move or whatever. If this shit dumps, I'm hopping off the charts. Because this is not my analysis at all. I want longs. So if my analysis starts failing, I'm hopping off the charts. Yeah, I know, I'm gonna stay strong. I'm waiting on this. Did this 3 minute close? Fuck. It didn't. It didn't. I think the play is NASDAQ. Well, I want this to give me a 3 minute FEG. Did it give me a 2 minute? Okay, it's about to give me a 2 minute, which isn't bad either. I might take the 2 minute if it gives it to me to continue this rally higher. But if it starts dumping, like to go lower, I'm off it. Come stop these people out too, NASDAQ. Thank you. Finally doing what I want you to. If this starts dumping and like continues trading lower, it's just a no trade day. Because this looks like AMD to me, so I'm still bullish. Like accumulation, manipulation, any time to distribute. That's how I worked on it. We might get something here, boys. We might get something here. I'll take a 3 minute IFVG or a 2 minute IFVG out of here if we get it. Let's see ES. I'll take this play on ES. I'll take this trade on ES. Come on, stop bullshitting. You know, are you actually trying to go lower? Are you actually trying to go lower? Are y'all, is this shit serious? Is it actually trying to go lower? Okay, you've taken out that second low, and it's the flip now. Or else I'm done, and my read was wrong today. ES is flooded probably. If it goes lower, then I'm done, and my read was wrong. If it starts breaking upward, then we're still chilling. What time is it? It's 9:36. So literally, if I don't get a move in the next 2-3 candles, I'm hopping off. It's a no trade thing. I'm gonna come trade Asia. Asia was so clean on gold. I'm falling in love with it. But if this inverses right now, it's actually a beautiful setup. I don't want it to really go lower. You're in on NQ with the original entry? That's good. I would low-key just wait for an inverse if NQ gives it. But I think I might take ES. ES looks a lot stronger. If we start trading above my order, I'll market buy it. There's one more minute. Come on. Come on, ES. Come on, ES. There we go. Keep pushing. 30 more seconds. There we go. That's in there. Fuck me. That's in there. There we go. Fuck me. I placed a buy stop there and it didn't fill me. Seven seconds till we get a full confirmation. Let it close. 3, 2, 1. Cool. There. Valid trade. Valid trade. Okay. I'm in this. I'm targeting the sell here. And that's everything I have for y'all. I really gotta go. What time is it? 9:39. I'll let y'all know in the Discord. I'll let y'all know on my Instagram story, and y'all will see for yourself on the charts if this trade plays out. If it loses, I lose about $500 on the day. And if it wins, I probably will not trade Asia session. But with that being said, that's everything I have for y'all today, and I'm off to the gym. All right, brothers. Peace.